Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Anshika Mishra. Let's look at today's top health news. NEET UG paper leak, CBI conducts searches at 7 locations in Gujarat. The Central Bureau of Investigation launched searches at 7 locations in Gujarat in connection with the NEET UG paper leak case. Officials stated that the operation, which began in morning, targeted premises of suspects across 4 districts: Anand, Kheda, Ahmedabad and Godhra. This follows the CBI arrest on Friday of Ehsanul Haq, the principal of Oasis School in Hazaribagh, Jharkhand, along with the vice principal Imtiaz Alam and a journalist from Hindi newspaper Jamaluddin Ansari. Haq has been appointed as the city coordinator of Hazaribagh for the NEET UG exam conducted by the NTA on May 5. Alam served as the NTA's observer and the centre's coordinator for Oasis School. The CBI is also questioning 5 additional individuals from Hazaribagh in relation to the leak. Ansari was arrested for allegedly attempting to assist Haq and Alam in the leak.
Are you also aspiring to excel in medical journalism and delve into the intricacies of health and medical reporting? Explore our comprehensive course on medical and health journalism available at the Medical Dialogues Academy. Learn from industry experts who possesses in-depth knowledge and experience in this field. For further details, scan the QR code provided or access the link in the description box below.
The CBI has registered 6 FIRs in the NEET UG paper leak case. This includes 1 FIR based on a reference from the Union Education Ministry and 5 from states where the CBI has taken over the investigation. The probe agency has taken charge of 1 case each in Bihar and Gujarat and 3 cases in Rajasthan as per its extensive investigation into the paper leak scandal. The first CBI FIR was registered on June 23, a day after the ministry announced it would hand over the probe into the alleged irregularities in the conduct of the exam to the central agency. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for more updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.